Hello dear students, before I proceed with the video, let me take this opportunity to wish you a very happy Children's Day and a very happy and prosperous Diwali. In this video, you will see the procedure to access the online MCQ test. As you all know that from 23rd of November, school is going to conduct the first online MCQ test for the second semester, and this time the test will be conducted using the mobile app. Through the mobile app you will have to give the test. So in this video you will see how to access the test using your mobile app. Also let me tell you, the same test you can give using your computer, that means desktop, laptop, etc. Now how to proceed with? Before you proceed, the first requirement is you should know the user ID and the password of your mobile app. If you know the user ID and the password for your mobile app, you can easily log in with the mobile app, school mobile app, and when you log in, the interface which is given here on the screen, the same interface comes in your mobile screen also. That means there are so many different options given: announcement, homework, attendance, marks, etc. At the bottom right corner, there is an option called online test. So when the test is scheduled, that time when you click on the online test, what will happen? As you click, you will see the scheduled test on your mobile screen. You have to click on online test. Now when you click on online test, this particular screen comes. This is just a sample I have made. So here it is made for standard 7 computer. It is written something like second same computer standard 7 test 1, full marks 8, test start date and time is given, test end date and time is given. Now test duration is 30 minutes. So this is the way, according to your subject, you will get all the details on the mobile screen when you click on the online test. Then when you click on start test, what will happen? All the multiple choice questions will appear on the screen. See the way it is appearing right now. This is just a sample I have made to show you how to go with the online test. Here are few questions I have added for standard 7 computer. So let us say the first question which I have added. So what you need to do, just go on selecting the correct answers. And as you go on selecting the correct answers, what will happen? At the bottom, what will come? At the bottom an option will come. The option is submit. So after selecting all the correct answers, what will happen? One button you will get on the screen, that is called submit, and just click on the submit button. As you click on the submit button, one message will come on the screen after some time, that is, your examination has been completed. Please don't click back button or the refresh page. So as you click on submit, after that, if I go again there on online test module, what we will see that where start test was written, now that is converted into test attended. That means you have already attended the test. Students, suppose if you do not have a mobile phone with you, what you can do, if you have a laptop or a desktop at home, provided you have an internet connection, what you can do, you can give your test using your computer also. You have to type the website name, that is the URL name parentsalarmapp.com. It is given here on the screen as you can see. So when you type parentsalarmapp.com, what happens? The interface, the home page where you need to type the user ID and the password, it comes on the screen. So here you have to type the same user ID and the password which you type in your mobile phone to access your mobile app. Suppose just I have taken one example, and after putting the user ID and the password, just click on login. As you click on login, here you can see the way it comes in your mobile phone, the same way it comes in your computer also. So it is not necessary to give the test using a mobile phone only. You can give your test using your computer also, provided you have internet in your computer system. So here the screen comes the same way it comes in your mobile app. At the bottom right corner, again same way the online test icon is given. So click on the online test. The scheduled test will come on the screen. The scheduled test will come on the screen, and as you saw in my previous video, in my previous slide, that where it is written time elapsed, there it was written start test. So there a start test will be written, and you just click there and give the exam. So this is the way you can give your online MCQ test exam, and best of luck for the exam. Do well. Thank you. Here is the website name on the screen, dear students, which you can use on your laptop or a desktop computer to access the online test. You can use the same user ID and password which you all are using to access the school mobile application on your smartphone. Now there is a very important note, dear students. You have to finish the exam before the stipulated time gets over. Otherwise, the test attempted will get cancelled automatically, and the total marks obtained will be considered as 0, irrespective of whatever questions you have attempted. Now one example I will give you. Here you can see on the screen that let us say one example I am giving of computer standard 7 online test. Full marks 8 it is given. Now let us talk about the test start date and time. Now at what date the test starts? The test starts at 14th of November at 10 am and test ends at 14th of November 10:45 am. Now in total you have 45 minutes of duration. That means this is the time from 10 am to 10:45 am the test will remain activated. But within this time frame you will get only 30 minutes. That means the time you will start your test, from that particular time you are going to get only 30 minutes for the test. And you have to make sure that before the 30 minutes ends, before the 30 minute gets over, you have to submit the question answer, whatever the multiple choice questions you have selected, the answers for those questions, before the 30 minutes gets over. Let us say if you start the exam at exactly 10 am, you have to finish it before 10:30. Suppose if you start the test at 10:05 am, that means 5 past 10 am, then you have to finish the exam before 10:35 am. But if you start the exam at 10:30 am, you are going to get only 15 minutes. So before this 10:45 over, what you have to do? Before this 10:45 you have to submit the exam. That means you are going to get only 13 or 14 minutes if you start the test at 10:30. So please remember that whenever you are starting the test, before the stipulated time ends, that is the 30 minutes, you have to submit the test a little before. Let us say within 29 minutes, 28 minutes, 25 minutes, or even before. Okay, that you have to please make sure. This is very important for the test. So again I am repeating that 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. is the total duration given for the test. It will remain activated within this time frame. But within this time frame, the total time what you have been allotted is 30 minutes. If you start it at 10 o'clock, you have to finish it before 10:30. If you start it at, let us say, 10:15, you have to stop the exam before 10:45. But if you start the exam at, let us say, 10:30, you have to stop it before 10:45. You are going to get only 13-14 minutes only. So this you please make sure that you have to end the test before the stipulated time. Thank you.